We're continuing to talk about Zafin's reimagination of the entire account analysis process. Today we're going to talk a little bit about modernization. We hear a lot of conversations about different modernization efforts that go on in banks, and oftentimes those can be very problematic. They're lengthy, they're expensive, and they're full of risk. In the account analysis at almost every bank I know, we've been using the same process and the same system for decades. It's deeply embedded into everything about the bank. Replacing that legacy needs to be done in an orderly and progressive way. So I'm going to actually talk about progressive modernization. Because simply pulling everything out and replacing it will often be too difficult, and it won't match up with the priorities or the challenges that each bank may face. Now, we've talked about the Zafin Infinity before and the fact that it's a continuous flowing process, and because of that, no two banks have to follow the same path to achieve a completely new and revamped way of reimagined account analysis. So for instance, in some banks, I might start with replacing or updating my product catalog, where I set my guardrails, I set my boundaries of everything I can sell, as well as approval processes for discounts and waivers, and I also have a good, controlled way to see the entire relationship of my customers. In many banks, that's a good place to start. In other banks, starting with the sales process or the deal management capabilities is a good place to start. Other banks that have an aging and retiring billing system might need to start there. It's the point of our Infinity model. It has no true beginning. It has no true end, and it flows from the beginning all the way through the process without stopping.